Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out some pneumatic airline fittings. Pneumatic means air. But this features these push to connect fittings here. And there's a whole bunch of different kinds. We got elbows and splitters and just one-on-one connects and it's a 60 pack. So these are the 3/8 inch. And there's 15 of each one of the, there's just the double one, just connect two airlines if you want. There's one that goes in and tees off and splits into two. And then there's one that goes in and then two barrels come out of there like that. And then there's an elbow. So there's a lot of different applications these can be used for. These have a working capacity at 145 PSI. And I believe the temperature up to 160, I want to say Fahrenheit. Let me just double check that to make sure what the working temperature. 140 degrees Fahrenheit and 32 degrees. So what's nice about these, you can just, I don't have a pneumatic line right now, but you can just press these in and they're just going to hold and they're not going to go anywhere. It's almost like the PEX fitting for like water lines and stuff, but these are for pneumatic. They just press in and then if you want to release them, the blue ends there, you can push them down and then just pull it right out. Super handy, super easy to connect. These are used in a lot of different applications. With automotive to industrial to a bunch of different things. We're working with pneumatic devices. They can be used on some trailer brakes and things like that. So yeah, pretty cool set here. This comes with a whole bunch of them. So if you were to run some kind of a line or something, you needed to fix some item or have these on hand to repair them, then yeah, you would have a nice time doing it with these. Like I said, these are like super quick connect. Just basically press it in there, the line in there, and you're good to go. You don't have to mess with tools or anything like that, which is nice if you're trying to like just fix something up real quick. So yeah, thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends. Hope you have a wonderful day out there. I'll see you next time.